This is Joe, Big Joe's Outdoors. It's time to feed the big fellas. What's up, big fella? Oh, what are you coughing at me for? Let me get in. Get off the gate. Get off the gate, bonehead. Can you stop? All right. Not gonna be able to get in here. I gotta dump their feed for them. All right, they got their feed. We got something back there I gotta go check out. Oh, that's that. You following me? Huh? Hey, his old feed's over there. I had to dump it. Wouldn't let me in. We got us some babies. Check it out. How you doing, mama? Oh, you just had her. You still cleaning her up. So this is not over with. There still could be another one in there. It's pretty cool. Look at it. So cute. Some good colors too. Stand up, little fella. There you go. I'm gonna let her do her thing. I don't really disturb the goats unless I hear whining. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this, and I'll make a follow-up video if she has another one. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and we'll see y'all in the next video. Bye bye.